Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to turn this into this. So this recipe is a traditional Polish recipe for pickles. It's very similar to the kind of pickles you might buy in a supermarket that look like this, but the difference is that when you buy pickles like this in a supermarket, they're pickled in vinegar, whereas the pickles we're gonna make today are going to be pickled without vinegar. You're going to need a pot, a pickle jar, water, salt, some dill, some garlic, mustard seeds, and of course, some cucumbers. So take the pot and measure out 1 liter of water. Add 2 tablespoons of salt to the water. A tablespoon should look about like this. When the water's boiled, cool it down. The bottom of the pot might melt the plastic shelves in your fridge, so take advantage of the cold weather to cool it outside. Wash the pickles and then dry them. And now we're going to rub the inside of the jar with garlic.
But what does rubbing the garlic in the jar do?
I don't know, so I'm gonna look it up and put links in the description. So peel a couple of garlic cloves, maybe 4 or 5, and drop them into the jar. Let's put the pickles in the jar. Okay, now there's been a few hours, we can go ahead and bring in the pot that's been cooling outside. And pour the water into the jar. If you can't get the bottom of the pot into the jar, take out a little bit of water from the jar until you have enough room to get this last bit in.
So why is it important to put the last bit of the water in the jar?
And most of the salt actually tends to go down into the bottom of the pot. That's why it's really important to get the bottom of the pot into the jar. There's just 2 last things that we need to put in. The dill. And the mustard seeds. One and 2. It's actually really pretty once they start sinking into the water. And now we're ready to close the jar. Set it aside at room temperature for 3 days. Three days later, let's take a look at the jar. The water should be clouded over, and you should see a nice bronze color on the pickles themselves. Let's open it up.
You can snap your jar closed and store it in a cool place again.
Enjoy them sliced on hamburgers, enjoy them crunchy with your cold cuts, or just enjoy them on their own. Whatever you do, have fun making your own traditional Polish style pickles.